Hello everyone, I'm back home and I was going through some of the books that I have read in the past, and I'm that person who likes to underline all the good lines that touch my heart and try to read it after a while. And today I was just doing that. So I thought, why not make a video and read it with you guys? So the first book which I'm going to read from is The 40 Rules of Love. It is written by Elif Shafak. After Chitra Banerjee Divakarudi, she is my favorite author. So let's start reading it. She says, real filth is the one inside. The rest simply washes off. There is only one type of dirt that cannot be cleansed with pure waters, and that is the stain of hatred and bigotry contaminating the soul. You can purify your body through abstinence and fasting, but only love will purify your heart. I mean, wow, what has she written? This is so true and so heart touching. The next one that I loved was, if you want to change the way others treat you, you should first change the way you treat yourself. Unless you learn to love yourself fully and sincerely, there is no way you can be loved. I mean, this is this should be a rule in everyone's life. You should love yourself first, then others can love you. The next one from which I'm going to read is The Stationery Shop. It's written by Marjan Kamali. It says, our fate is written on our foreheads when we are born. It can't be seen, can't be read, but it's there in invisible ink, all right. And life follows that fate, no matter what. You all must have heard about a classic book which everyone loves. It's Tuesdays with Mori. It's written by Mitch Albom, and it gives some great life lessons. So it says, the most important thing in life is to learn how to give out love and to let it come in. The other one is, why are we embarrassed by silence? What comfort do we find in all the noise? I, we seek company, we seek noise, but the real thing, the we can find ourselves only in silence. The second one is The Diary of a Young Girl and Frank. It is an autobiography. I'm going to read a paragraph from it. It says, this is where mother and I differ greatly. Her advice is the face of melancholy is, think about all the suffering in the world and be thankful you are not a part of it. My advice is, go outside to the country, enjoy the sun and all nature has to offer. Go outside and try to recapture the happiness within yourself. Think of all the beauty in yourself and in everything around you and be happy.